Succeed Feed Review. This masterclass reveals how to create lasting motivation in minutes and become more productive. Would you like to automate your motivation within 5 minutes and achieve more in the next 12 months than most people do in a lifetime? Discover how to automatically motivate yourself to get anything done with a simple 5-minute technique. Eliminate procrastination and finally start unleashing your untapped potential. 12 months than most people do in a lifetime. Sign up to watch this masterclass for free. In this free 60-minute masterclass, you'll learn 1. The real reason you don't take action on the things that will benefit you is not what you think. 2. How to become unstuck can eliminate procrastination once and for all by using the twin forces of motivation. 3. A simple yet powerful technique to create lasting motivation in less than 5 minutes that you can use today to automatically get things done and enjoy doing them. 4. Why trying to use willpower alone doesn't work, and what you need to do instead to create consistent results. 5. The one thing that dictates over 95% of your behavior and how you can make it work for you instead of against you. 6. The power of your subconscious mind and how you can harness it to effortlessly achieve your goals. Who is this masterclass for? Entrepreneurs and self-employed individuals who want to grow their business and make more money. People who struggle to get things done, that want to boost their productivity, tap into their full potential, and achieve more success. People who want to learn the skill of self-motivation so that they can control their behavior, actions, and emotions in any situation. Anyone who feels stuck, wants to eliminate procrastination and bad habits, enjoy taking action, and achieve their goals. Your host, Riz Pasha, Succeed Feed founder, serial entrepreneur, and master coach, impacted over 1 million people worldwide. By the end of this masterclass, you will be able to create lasting motivation to get anything done within 5 minutes and achieve more in the next 12 months than most people do in a lifetime. Would you like to automate your motivation within 5 minutes and achieve more in the next 12 months than most people do in a lifetime? Register for the masterclass now. To attend for free, this on-demand masterclass is only available for a limited time. Sign up to watch this masterclass for free.